Welcome back. Now we're going to do 1-3 in answering an exam question on contraception. So it says 2 students have written an answer to the following exam question. Explain 2 contrasting religious beliefs about contraception. In your answer, you must refer to one or more religious traditions. Read each answer below, identify what each student has done well and what they've done to improve. So try and read the questions here. I'll read them for you here. Some Christians support the use of contraception if giving birth is likely to threaten a mother's life. Some Buddhists also support the use of contraception if giving birth would probably harm the mother's health. Buddhists try not to contribute to suffering, and this would stop the mother from suffering. Now, can you see what's wrong? Well, let's see what's done well. They have given 2 religions, so two contrasting. They've done 2 religions. But what have not done, they haven't done 2 contrasting beliefs, because they're given the same reason twice: threaten the mother's life or harm the mother's life. Same thing. Use 2 different words for saying the same thing. So improve the answer, you can get different reasons for this one here, but they haven't done the same. And in the second one, they have they've expanded on the answers. Buddhists try to contribute to suffering. This will stop the mother from suffering. So they got the idea of suffering included in it. And they haven't expanded on the first one. They just said it. So the first sentence: some Christians support the use of contraception to give birth like to threaten the mother's life. 1 mark, because they haven't actually explained it. So maybe you say that the mother is too young, she's ill, or whatever you want to say. Just say one more thing. In the second answer, student 2 says some Christians don't allow the use of contraception as they believe that it stops procreation, which is the purpose of sex. They believe the 10 Commandments is to be fruitful and increase in numbers. You probably spotted what the problem is there. The problem is the quote. It's good to have a quote, but it has to be more correct than that. You can get away with a lot, but you cannot say that the 10 Commandments says be fruitful and increase in numbers. Be fruitful and increase in numbers from the Old Testament is Genesis 1:28, and 10 Commandments, it has nothing about multiplying. So actually, if they had just said instead, what it made better is that if the Bible said, because the Bible says be fruitful and increase in numbers, that's it, not 10 Commandments. So it's a bit harsh not giving them for that one there, but it is a mistake, and maybe you can get away with it. I don't think so. Just get it right, or just say the Bible instead. The Bible says be fruitful and increase in numbers. And then it says, second, other Christians allow to use contraception if they believe that all children should be brought into a loving and well-supported family. By using contraception, a couple can make sure they're emotionally and financially ready for it. That's a good answer. It has an explanation, and it has a development of the point. And you need the development. You basically need 2 points, 2 sentences. What they could done to improve the answers for that second one there, they could have said the first one they can say Roman Catholics, and the second one is Anglicans, because then you have that very strict Roman Catholics, and the second one is Anglicans or Protestants or Church of England. However, they are contrasting, so that's good. So one says you can use contraception, one says you can't. That's the best thing for it. So there we are. Cheers, thanks, bye.